over to Maharashtra in a latest political turn. Here we're looking at some uncertainty amid this coronavirus crisis in Maharashtra. Governor B.S. Koshyari refuses to accept the cabinet recommendation to nominate Uddhav Thackeray as an MLC. India Today has learned through highly reliable sources that Uddhav Thackeray has dialed Prime Minister Modi, discussed the latest political logjam with him. According to sources, Uddhav has told Prime Minister that the state cannot afford political crisis in the time of a pandemic. He has told Prime Minister that the crisis will send out a wrong message and should be avoided. Prime Minister, according to sources, has assured Uddhav that he will look into the matter at the earliest. The governor, B.S. Koshyari, refuses to accept the cabinet recommendation to nominate Uddhav Thackeray as an MLC here. He will not be able to, if at all this does not happen, if the governor does not nominate him, then it's highly unlikely that Uddhav will be able to continue as Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Earlier, State Cabinet twice requested the governor to nominate Uddhav Thackeray as MLC from governor's quota. A cabinet meet was also scheduled to discuss this. Let's quickly go over to Kamlesh joining us for more on this. Kamlesh, do tell us, Governor Koshyari of Maharashtra refuses to nominate Uddhav Thackeray as an MLC. And at a time like this, we hear our sources tell us that Uddhav has spoken to Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Modi has said that he will look into the matter. This is called for central Prime Minister's intervention. Why is the governor not willing to accept it, neither accepting nor rejecting it?
Well, it's the governor's prerogative to accept or to reject, but it seems that Uddhav Thackeray has taken the last resort and has directly dialed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and has asked an sort of intervention into the matter and said that any political crisis at this time of pandemic is not affordable. The state cannot afford any such political crisis at this point in time, and it would also send across a wrong message. Now, this comes after two cabinet decisions that were communicated to the governor. Two cabinet resolutions decisions were communicated to the governor, asking him, requesting him to nominate Uddhav Thackeray as a member of the Legislative Council through the governor's quota, which did not yield any results. Now, yesterday, a delegation led by MVA leaders from Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP met the governor, but sources tell us that the governor even then hasn't given any positive signals on that. So it seems that the logjam would have continued, and after that Uddhav Thackeray dialed directly the Prime Minister. We'll have to wait and watch whether this crisis ends or not. But it seems that in any time soon there seems to be no end to the political uncertainty at this point.
Thank you, Kamlesh, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.